But you know what gets me going this kind of challenging moments, because this is when I really truly know that I want to make videos. Hey, what's up guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer Way. Today's video is going to be the proper product review for the Plum's green tea range of clear face mask review, which I decided to go just live stream on that particular day when I wasn't able to upload this video. If you are already subscribed to my newsletter, you would already have pre-known that the content for this month's video has already included the product review. I just didn't want to skip out on a product review for this month, and that's why I am re-attempting to film this video. Hopefully I am able to edit this video within a short amount of time, perhaps an hour before dinner, and it's about 6:15 right now, so I have very limited amount of time. But you know what gets me going this kind of challenging moments, because this is when I really truly know that I want to make videos. If you're watching me and this video for the first time, thank you for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch my video. And if you like what you see and my content on my channel so far, please can I request that you stay till the end of this video, and while you're here, please make sure to stay subscribed. All you have to do is just click on the red button right here down this video, and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it just so that my updates and notifications will be reaching you whenever I upload new video. I upload every Tuesdays and Fridays. So without any further ado, let's get into this review. So basically this product was actually sent to me for PR purpose and for trying out and see whether I like it or not. And the only reason why I'm doing this product review is because I really like the product. I have oily skin and I am of medium complexions, and one of the things that I've noticed with a lot of clay masks for oily skin type is that sometimes they can be extremely overly drying, and sometimes I feel like they dry too much to the point where my skin is actually producing a lot more oil and in turns have a lot of sebum and breakouts, which I don't quite like. I have tried a few clay based masks in the market already. I'll put a link to it right down here so that you can click on my previous product reviews, and it's my little girl who's sitting right here next to me, so please do not mind her. I'm intrigued at the texture of this particular clay mask. If you were to just take a little bit of it and then rub it in between your fingers, you will also notice that it's so moisturizing to a point where you don't really need to feel like you need to layer up the mask. It does have a tendency where you can actually see a little bit of your actual skin peeking through the mask. It's unlike the regular clay mask that we have in the market where it's like full on paint clay on your face. This has a very interesting texture as well as how it actually acts on the skin. I have noticed whenever I use clay mask for oily skin type, I particularly look out for two main products in a clay mask for my oily skin type, which is kaolin clay and bentonite clay. And you'll be happy to know that the Plum's green tea clear face mask actually contains both these types of clay that are amazing at removing impurities from the skin surface, specifically for oily skin type. If you're someone of a dry skin type, this product is not going to be for you. I really like the fact that it actually kind of has a very clarifying after effect from using the mask. Just like most masks that are available in the market, I also enjoy the fragrance on it. It has a very lightly green tea fresh scent to it. I don't feel like the scent on this clear mask is too much of a bother for me. I feel like I can actually look past that. It's not too overpowering to the point where I feel like I'm loading up a lot of perfume product on my face. I have noticed with this particular clay mask is that it doesn't leave a very reddish appearance behind somewhere around here and here, which I typically do experience with a lot of more higher potency of clear masks for oily skin type, to the point where they extract too much of my natural oils out of my skin surface, and I'm left with this little bit of dryness over here. And over some time, within about 3 days after using the mask, I usually have experienced a lot of peeling, a lot of dryness and itchiness that happens to linger somewhere around here where are the corners of my mouth, my smile lines. And with this clear mask, I don't have such problem. I actually do enjoy the fact that it doesn't overly dry because of its important hydrating agent that is present in this clear mask. I will put a detailed review about this product in my blog, so please be sure to keep a lookout on that. If you're someone who has oily skin type, depending on the climate, because the Singapore weather has been changing a lot. It's been so crazy. We've experienced the colder stuff weather in January. Creates havoc for the skin surface because they experience a lot just along with us. I do see myself using this clear face mask for the hotter months, somewhere around starting from April maybe. I typically use this face mask just about once a week, and that is doable for me, and I really like how the after effects linger about, last for as long as 5 days from using the face mask. Unless you have very oily skin type, you probably would be able to use every 5 days or so. For me, what I would recommend from my own personal experience is that 5 days once, this mask is amazing, and I definitely give this a thumbs up. The only downside to this product is that the Plum green tea clear face mask is not available in Singapore. This brand is actually from India, and I'm really glad that I had this product sent to me, and I really have been enjoying it so much that I want to try out a lot more products that the green tea range is offering. I'll put a link to where you can actually get your hands on this product down in the info bar below, and it's from the company called Skin First Makeup Second, and they have an Instagram profile, and a lot more information about this clear face mask will be available in their Instagram profile. This product actually comes with a glass bottom that looks like this, which is translucent. It has all of the product packaging, logo, and all of the stuff. It comes with a clear white here. It comes with a white lid, and it screws off the top to look like this. And it has a protective cover to protect the product from drying out, and this is how the product actually looks like. It has a very greeny grey tint to it. I really like the scent on this. It's really smooth and really light for a mask. My first impression of this clear face mask was that I was really intrigued about how the texture was on my skin, to the point where I almost thought that I'm putting on moisturizer, and as I was putting it on, and I feel like it was not too much of a color on my face like regular clay masks are like, I had to reach out for this product again and to reconfirm that it's actually a face mask and it's not a moisturizer. So you will probably be able to understand what I mean by when it comes to the difference in texture and how the product actually goes on the skin. This packaging contains 60 grams of its amazing face mask content, and I believe it retails for about Singapore dollars of $20. Do go ahead and check out the Skin First Makeup Second's official Instagram profile for more information on the prices and delivery and all of that. If you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. This ensures that I create more content of what you would like to see next on my channel. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this quick product review, and if you did enjoy watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up like I've already mentioned. And if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button right here, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever I have new video uploads going up on my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!